The SAP Certified Organizational Change Management exam has changed. If you're still studying with theory-heavy methods, you're preparing for the wrong exam. The new exam uses AI role plays to assess how you think, communicate, and handle real project challenges. In this video, you'll practice realistic SAP exam scenarios covering stakeholder engagement, communication planning, change impact assessment, user adoption, and organizational readiness. Designed for consultants and project managers, this certification focuses on change management across SAP cloud projects. Most importantly, the exam tests how you respond to real situations, not how many definitions you can memorize. Let's begin your first AI roleplay. Scenario 1. Stakeholder resistance. During SAP transformation, your organization is implementing SAP cloud solutions. Several department managers openly question the project's value and are influencing employees to resist the change. As the organizational change management consultant, you must address stakeholder resistance before adoption risks increase. AI examiner. Question: what actions would you take to identify and engage these resistant stakeholders? Best candidate response. I would first perform a stakeholder assessment to identify influence levels, interests, concerns, and potential impacts. Next, I would classify stakeholders based on their influence and readiness for change. I would conduct targeted engagement sessions to understand their concerns and gather feedback. Then, I would create tailored communication and involvement strategies to ensure stakeholders actively participate in the transformation journey. The goal is to convert resistance into sponsorship by increasing understanding, transparency, and involvement. AI examiner cross. Question: what if a highly influential stakeholder continues to oppose the project after multiple engagement sessions? Best candidate response. I would escalate the issue through appropriate governance channels while continuing direct engagement. I would identify the root cause of resistance, provide data-driven business benefits, involve executive sponsors when necessary, and create opportunities for the stakeholder to contribute to project decisions. Maintaining involvement often reduces resistance more effectively than forcing compliance. Scenario 2. Communication strategy breakdown situation. The project team has been sending frequent communications about the SAP implementation. Despite this effort, employees remain confused about upcoming changes. AI examiner. Question: how would you improve the communication approach? Best candidate response. I would first assess communication effectiveness through surveys, interviews, and stakeholder feedback. Then, I would segment audiences according to their roles, impacts, and information needs. Messages should be customized for each audience group and delivered through appropriate channels. I would also establish a communication calendar and ensure messaging remains consistent across all project teams. The objective is not more communication, but clearer and more relevant communication. AI examiner cross. Question: how would you measure communication success? Best candidate response. I would monitor engagement metrics, participation rates, feedback surveys, awareness levels, and readiness assessments. These indicators help determine whether communications are improving understanding and supporting adoption. If you're preparing for SAP performance-based exams and want additional SAP exam simulations, scenario-based questions, and hands-on practice, you can explore Pass for Success for additional preparation resources. Now let's continue with another real-world exam task. Scenario 3. Change impact assessment situation. A new SAP solution will significantly alter existing business processes. Project leadership wants a formal change impact assessment. AI examiner. Question: how would you conduct the assessment? Best candidate response. I would identify affected business processes, stakeholder groups, roles, responsibilities, and organizational structures. Next, I would evaluate the magnitude of change for each impacted group. I would document risks, training requirements, communication needs, and readiness concerns. The results would be used to prioritize organizational change management activities throughout the project. AI examiner cross question: why is impact assessment important? Best candidate response. Impact assessment provides visibility into where change will occur and how significant it will be. This information allows the project team to allocate resources effectively and reduce adoption risk before go live. Scenario 4, learning and enablement planning situation. The project is approaching deployment. Users have different skill levels and varying degrees of SAP experience. AI examiner. Question: how would you establish an effective learning and enablement approach? Best candidate response: I would identify target audiences and define role-based learning requirements. Training content would be tailored according to job responsibilities and expected system usage. Multiple delivery methods such as instructor-led sessions, self-paced learning, workshops, and job aids would be utilized. The enablement strategy should focus on helping users perform their future tasks successfully. AI examiner. Cross. Question: how would you verify training effectiveness? Best candidate response: I would evaluate attendance, knowledge assessments, practical exercises, user confidence surveys, and post-training performance indicators. These measurements help ensure users are prepared for adoption. Scenario 5, organizational readiness challenge. Situation: go live is 6 weeks away. Leadership wants to know whether the organization is ready for the transition. AI examiner. Question: how would you evaluate organizational readiness? Best candidate. Response: I would perform readiness assessments covering stakeholder engagement, communication effectiveness, training completion, leadership alignment, and adoption preparedness. I would identify readiness gaps and create mitigation plans before deployment. The objective is to ensure both technical readiness and people readiness. AI examiner cross question: what would you do if readiness scores are low? Best candidate. Response: I would analyze the root causes and prioritize corrective actions. This may include additional communication campaigns, leadership engagement activities, supplemental training, or targeted support for impacted groups. Notice what SAP is evaluating, not memorization, not textbook definitions. The exam measures how effectively you think like a consultant and apply change management in real business situations. That's the essence of SAP's scenario-based exam format. Today, you completed 7 realistic consultant-level scenarios. These are exactly the types of decisions the exam is designed to evaluate. If you found this helpful, continue with our SAP certification playlist for more hands-on exam practice. Keep thinking like a consultant, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.